We live in a beautiful world. Every day we breathe in a colorless, odorless gas called oxygen to refuel us every minute of every day for our entire lives. From the minute we are born, we breathe in oxygen and let out carbon dioxide, another gas lacking in color and odor, but one we cannot breathe in. We constantly depend on this continuous flow called respiration. But what happens when this oxygen is mixed with other gases and particles? The air becomes filled with subtle yet deadly environmental toxins, which we call air pollutants. There are many air pollutants, and the list provided by the Environmental Protection Agency here in America is very long, showing us over 100 oxygen-invading air pollutants. These air pollutants come from emissions from industries and manufacturing activities, burning fossil fuels, and household and farming chemicals. Most of the time, these air pollutants consisting of gases, dust particles, fumes, and smoke are introduced into the atmosphere in a way which is harmful to animals, plants, and us humans. We call this occurrence air pollution, and there is nothing you or I could do about it, unless we are aware of its detrimental effects and work on preventing its continuation on our homely planet Earth. One effect of air pollution that affects the life in our planet is that it can create chemical reactions in the air. Sometimes, when an air pollutant, such as sulfuric acid, combines with the water droplets that make up clouds, the water droplets become acidic, forming acid rain. When acid rain falls over an area, it can kill trees and harm wildlife. Air pollution can also be drastically harmful to our health. Some people must go through living with the short-term effects of air pollution, which include irritation to the eyes, nose and throat, headaches, nausea, allergic reactions, and upper respiratory infections such as bronchitis and pneumonia. Long-term health effects of exposure to air pollution can include chronic respiratory disease, lung cancer, heart disease, and even damage to the brain, nerves, liver, or kidneys. With all the damage that is subject to air pollution, there must be something we can do to prevent it, or at least fight it. Some governments are investing in more energy-efficient sources such as wind energy and solar energy to minimize the burning of fossil fuels. You yourself can encourage those you commute with to carpool or use mass transit. If we all do this, there will be fewer cars on the road and less fumes produced. When you have the chance, take a moment's notice to recycle. Recycling is helpful in the way that it minimizes the dependence of producing new things. Together, we can inform ourselves of air pollution and become aware of its detrimental effects. It is up to every one of us to decide whether or not we will contribute to the cause of alleviating our beautiful world, our planet Earth.